present our Jignasa project. We are from Degree College, Kesamudram. The topic is to alcohol in chemistry versus alcohol in life via effective ways to prevent it among youth. These are our team members: J. Uma Bhargavi, D. Devendra, T. Supriya, N. Shivashankar, and N. Shivashankar. In chemistry, alcohol refers to a class of organic compounds that contain OH groups. And the simplest example is methanol, and studied based on the structure, physical and chemical properties. In daily life, the term alcohol usually refers specifically the ethanol present in beverages as a beer, wine and whiskey. It acts as a depressant of the central nervous system, producing relaxation, and excessive or long-term consumptions can lead to serious health. Taking small amount of alcohol can be helpful as a relaxation, but taking a large amount of alcohol can harm our health in addiction, liver damage, etc. Ethanol is a type of alcohol that people drink in their daily life. Ingredients: alcoholic beverages is also called ethyl alcohol. The ethyl alcohol formula is C2H5OH. Ethanol is clear, colorless liquid that is produced by the fermentation of sugars using yeast. While small amount may be tolerated by adults, excessive consumptions can be harmful to health. Statement of the problem: alcohol is a core class of organic compounds in chemistry defined by the presence of hydroxyl group, that is OH. Ethanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol, each having different chemical properties, structures and uses. Chemistry, alcohols are studied based on their molecular structure, physical properties, reactions, preparation methods, and industrial applications. They are important in laboratories, manufacturing, fuel production, medicines, perfumes and cleaning agents.
Hypothesis. The study hypothesis that there is a significant difference between the scientific meaning of alcohol in chemistry and the common understanding of alcohol in daily life. On the other hand, in everyday life, the term alcohol is generally used to refer only to ethanol, the substance present in alcoholic beverage. Ethanol is socially consumed for recreational purpose, and it is also used in hand sanitizer and certain medicines. The aims. The main aim of this study is to understand the concept of alcohol from both a chemical and a real life perspective. It aims to clearly explain what alcohol means in chemistry, where it refers to a group of organic compounds containing a hydroxyl functional group. To explain the scientific definition of alcohol in chemistry as organic compounds containing the hydroxyl functional group. To describe the general formula of alcohol and the structural representation.
This is Uma Bhargavi. Coming to the review of literature, ethanol is widely used as solvent, fuel additive and disinfectant, but ethanol is used in the production of formaldehyde and other chemicals. Scientific research shows that the fermentation is a common method. Coming to the methodology, information regarding the chemical structure, classification, properties and preparation and reactions of the alcohol was gathered from the standard organic chemistry materials. Coming to the preparation method, hydrolysis of halides, we can prepare alcohol through nucleophilic substitution mechanism. Next, coming to the next preparation, hydration of alkenes. Preparation, hydroformylation of alkenes. When alkene reacts with covalent in the presence of catalyst, it gives aldehydes. When aldehydes in the presence of hydrolysis, it gives alcohol. That's synthesis. Here we have alkene magnesium halide. When reacts with ketone, it gives alcohol, and it leads to primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Coming to the results and discussions, we found that alcohol is also found in cosmetics, medicines, sanitizers, and many things. Alcohol can be prepared in laboratory in many ways. Natural observation of the effects of the natural remedies such as the gymnema leaf. We can find it we can find gymnema leaf in the nurseries, and we can extract it from like a powder solution in many ways. It is little bit like a source. We can use it in our rehab centers to get less addiction.
Consumption can lead to serious health and social problems. Reports from the World Health Organization clearly state that harmful use of alcohol can affect physical health, mental health, and social well-being.
Chemistry and alcohol in daily life to avoid misconceptions. Awareness programs should be continued to inform people about the harmful effects of excessive alcohol consumption. Students should be encouraged to learn about the classification, properties, and use of different alcohol from better scientific understanding. People should avoid healthy lifestyle practical and consider nature supportive evidence such as gymnema leaf under properties guidance.